Have you ever wondered how airplanes are made? They are among the most complex machines ever created, and their manufacturing process is a true feat of engineering. Airplanes have revolutionized transportation, trade, and even warfare, enabling the rapid movement of people and goods across the globe in just a few hours. In this video, we'll dive into the airplane manufacturing process and explore how they are designed, built, and tested. You probably know that the first airplane was invented more than a century ago by the Wright brothers. Since then, airplanes have evolved tremendously, just like the technology and materials used to build them. We'll take a closer look at the design phase, materials, manufacturing processes, as well as assembly and testing. Whether you're a frequent traveler or simply passionate about engineering, this video will give you a detailed look at how airplanes are made. So, fasten your seatbelt and get ready to take off with us into the world of aerospace manufacturing. The design phase is the starting point. Engineers and designers work together to create airplane blueprints, taking into account aerodynamics, weight distribution, and safety. This step is crucial. Any mistake can have serious consequences later on. One of the most important aspects is aerodynamics. Engineers use computer simulations and wind tunnels to test and improve the design so the plane can fly efficiently and safely. They must also consider weight, balance, engine placement, and materials. Famous models like the Boeing 747 or the Airbus A380 stand out with unique features. The 747 with its iconic hump on the upper deck, and the A380 with its full double-deck design, offering more seating and reduced passenger noise. If you find this content interesting, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future tech explorations. Advances in computer technology have revolutionized aircraft design, allowing precise 3D modeling with CAD software. These models are tested virtually before any physical construction begins. In short, this phase creates the detailed blueprints that serve as the foundation for the rest of the manufacturing process. Once the plans are finalized, manufacturing can begin. The materials must be strong, lightweight, and resistant to extreme conditions such as high altitude or temperature changes. Common materials include aluminum, titanium, carbon fiber composites, and high-strength alloys. The manufacturing process varies depending on the component, fuselage, wings, engines, or landing gear, and the materials used. For example, wings can be made from extruded aluminum or from carbon fiber composites cured in molds. A major breakthrough has been the introduction of robotics and automation. Robots perform repetitive tasks with precision, such as drilling and placing thousands of rivets on the fuselage. Digital systems control and monitor the entire process to ensure compliance with safety standards. Once the components are complete, they are carefully assembled to form a full airplane. The fuselage serves as the base, to which the wings, engines, landing gear, and electrical and hydraulic systems are attached. During assembly, safety tests are performed to ensure everything meets standards. The wings must be perfectly aligned, flight controls functional, landing gear able to withstand stress, and engines powerful enough. Once assembled, the aircraft undergoes flight tests simulating various conditions: takeoff, cruising, and landing. Data is collected to identify potential issues and improve design or manufacturing. Airplane manufacturing is a precise, demanding, and highly technological process. Thanks to advancements in materials, robotics, and digital systems, airplanes have become safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. Every step, from design to flight testing, is subject to rigorous controls to guarantee optimal performance. And with the constant evolution of technology, the airplanes of tomorrow will be even more efficient and environmentally friendly.